Rockport, Texas was where the eye of the Hurricane Harvey hit in Texas. We chose that area because of the level of destruction. It equaled Hurricane Katrina when it came through. So we felt like that would be a place that would have need for a long time.
I put up drywall, I taped it and mudded the drywall, and I did demolition and cleaned up. I've learned not to take the little things for granted because it could be gone overnight.
This trip has really been amazing. It's showed me that, this is something I want to do in the future. I've always wanted to do something like this, but I've never really had the opportunity to. And it's just shown me that this is something that I really would want to do again. I decided to spend spring break in Texas because I would rather help people less fortunate than I am, and I want to do anything I can to help. And it's more satisfaction to me than, going on a vacation to a beach or anything.
Everyone that we have met has been so appreciative of the work that we've done. They've been thankful for our teens spending their spring break to come out and work. Hands of Hope at Rockport First Baptist, their disaster relief center. The people there have probably had the most impact on us. They communicated well with us to let us know that people really appreciated the work that we have done. I think the biggest thing they've done is brought hope to a hurting community. They have lifted the spirits of others. We have found that people were so down and that they just did not know where to start because of the level of destruction. People are still in tents, even this far down the road. And having someone drive that far and spend their spring break to help them get a little bit above it really made very much of an impact.